Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ## Java test patterns, an informative tutorial. In software development, testing is essential to ensure that your code behaves as expected. Java offers various testing patterns that can help structure test cases effectively. One of the most popular testing frameworks in Java is JUnit, which facilitates the creation of unit tests. ### Common Java test patterns. 1. Arrange-act-assert, AAA. This pattern organizes test code into 3 clear sections. Arrange, set up the necessary conditions and inputs. Act, execute the method under test. Assert, verify that the method behaved as expected. 2. Given when then, GWT. Similar to AAA, this pattern is often used in behavior-driven development, BDD. Given, describe the initial context. When, specify the action taken. Then, describe the expected outcome. 3. Test fixture. A fixed state of a set of objects used as a baseline for running tests. It helps to create a known environment for tests. 4. Parameterized tests. Allows running the same test with multiple sets of data. ### Setting up a JUnit test. To illustrate these patterns, let's create a simple Java application and test it using JUnit. ### Example Java class, calculator. ### Writing tests with JUnit. Step 1, add JUnit dependency. If you are using Maven, add the following dependency to your pom.xml. Step 2, create a test class. Explanation of the test class. 1. @before, the setup method is annotated with @before, which means it will run before each test case, initializing the calculator instance. 2. Test methods. Each test method is annotated with @test. The arrange-act-assert pattern is followed in each test. For example, in test add, we first arrange the inputs, then act by calling the add method, and finally assert that the result is as expected. 3. Exception testing. The test divide by zero method expects an illegal argument exception to be thrown when attempting to divide by zero. Running the tests. You can run your tests using your IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, or via the command line with Maven. Conclusion. By following established testing patterns like arrange-act-assert and utilizing the JUnit framework, you can create clear and maintainable tests for your Java applications. This structure not only helps you ensure that your code works as intended but also makes it easier to catch regressions in future development.